One of the most requested video on this channel is how can we get Fiverr review and how can we get that I want to do it, how can we do it safely, and also we've been trying to do it and people are getting scammed by altering us and cancel order and all of those stuff, right? You see, this video today I'm going to explain and show you the step-by-step process on how to do your Fiverr order, and this particular process works because you are going to get a US dollar card. I'm going to show you how to get that, and you can use this card to fund anything of your choice, your Upwork Connect. Even if you want to buy any tools in the online space or you want to pay for any subscription, this card can work for you. And now I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process that you can use it to get your Fiverr review done without being scammed, and you can do this from your smartphone by this, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I want you to pay close attention to this video, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified anytime I drop an every update like this, right? You see, this thing is very, very important. Most times when you sign up on Fiverr, or you are just trying to set up, you are just starting out on Fiverr, you are trying to sell your deals, you know, people might not trust you, and which is why people want to get some reviews on their accounts, so to build their credibility and profile so they can attract more clients. And I'm going to show you that, as said. But very first thing that I want you to pay close attention to is how are you going to do this and where are you going to paste, right? But before we go deeper, or before we dive into the video, this video is for educational purposes and I'm just sharing this based on my knowledge. No prior results guaranteed, and I know I show you that you are going to get rich quick about anything, or this I show your active order with Fiverr. So this is just a basic educational purpose and how you can get things done for yourself, right? So if all of this be said, let's get started. The very first thing right here is to get our dollar card, and the most recommended one that I'm going to use, that I'm going to show, that I've tried that works, is the one that I link in the description of this video. And once you sign up with that link, you are going to get 30% off of your card activation fee so you can get your review done, right? Now, the very first thing, the app that I'm talking about is called DocPay. So just click the link and it's going to take you to a page like this, as you can see on my screen. So once you get to this page, I'm just going to reload this so I can show you the process. And once you get to this page, you are going to see open a USD virtual card and a US bank account online. Then you are going to click on sign up. Once you hit sign up, you are going to put in your information, your email, you verify your code. Then you click on sign up. Make sure you have this referral code or a byte code so you can get the coupon of your card request, right? So once you click that and you sign up, you are going to log into your mobile app like this, and you can see my balance. I'm going to show you how to deposit. So if you want to deposit, assuming you want to do $5 Fiverr review, so first thing that you want to do right here is to fund your account, and this is how you're going to fund it. So you click on deposit right here and click on can see on chain, or you can easily contact me if you want to get your accounts funded, so I can help you fund your accounts from my accounts, as well as can say received from another DocPay account, right? So to join me or to reach out to me, you can basically click the second link in the description of this video, so you can join my WhatsApp community and can send message to me right from there, right? So or you click on chain recharge right there, so you select the wallet that you want to fund, most advisable USDT, and above the network of anything that you can choose, so truck or anything. They're right there. You click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, we are going to have this address that you can send your coin from Bybit, Binance, Wix, or anything. So you send it down here so you can get to apply for your card. And once you want to apply for your card, you just simple. You can click on card right here, and you can see I have my card right here named, and I have 0 budget on it. So for you, it's going to tell you to have a card. So I'm just going to click on this as if I want to apply for a card now. And you can see you are going to click on a virtual card, and once you click on that, you can see right there, so it's going to load up. You can see the 30% off that you are going to get as well. Instead of $10, you will pay $7 to get this card. And trust me, this card will work on any platform in the online space. No matter what you want to purchase, no matter amount that you want to purchase anything with, it's going to give you the flexibility to purchase anything at all. So this is the 30% you are going to get, and click on create card, right? So once you place your card, you are going to have it right there display with your information, which you can open and you can get fill it in. Now, how do you set up your Fiverr account for this review, right? The very first thing I want you to know is the country that you want to review from, or the country that you want to deal with, right? So that matters. And Nigeria Fiverr accounts can't do review if you don't have the fund on it. So it's very advisable to follow this process as I'm going to show you, right? You see, I want to assume now that gotten our card, as you can see. So we have our card ready, and all we need to do right now is sign up to Fiverr. And this cannot be done on the same phone you have your seller profile with. So you have to like probably dedicate a phone or a computer that once you create it on your phone, you can basically continue whatever review that you want to do on your computer any time of the day, right? Now, coming over right here to Fiverr, before you go back to Fiverr, don't forget what I said, that you are going to have your accounts in any location that you want to be doing your review, and you can start this as a business as well by doing this for people, right? So if you come over right here, I'm just going to use this free VPN that you can download from anywhere, and once you download that, you are going to connect into whatever location that you want, and you can see this is connected to France right now, and I can visibly come over right here. So my VPN is connected to France, which means my account is going to be a France account for this review. And if you want to have multiple accounts, you can basically create multiple cards on DocPay. They have unlimited access, so you can create multiple cards for every of your Fiverr accounts. All right. So once you come over to Fiverr like this, you come over to Fiverr, and what you are going to do yourself, and you are going to see right there, skip everything. Then you just click on continue with Google. And once you click on continue with Google right there, it's going to load up a page where you are going to continue with one of the email right there. And once I hit that, it's going to ask you to approve this. I'm just going to click on continue. And once this is done, it's going to register me on Fiverr, which is going to ask for username. So I'm just going to put something like live, light up. Okay, let me just put it like that. You can put anything randomly and say something like this. So I'm just going to sign up, and I've just used this as an example. And you can see, find the service, set it up, just keep everything. And all you need to do once you are on the dashboard like this, just come over right here. Once you come over right here, you can see your accounts, and you can make sure you have your right information set. So the next thing is to come back right here, and you are going to come over to this place, and the link of the profile that you want to do review to is what you are going to search. For me, let me just search something randomly. Let me say article rewriting. Article rewriting. All right. You can see I'm just going to search rewriting. All right. All right. So once I search this, I'm going to see some services. Assuming this is the person that I want to do review for, but it's possible you just click, you share your gig link, then you click on it for where you want to do the review. And once you come over it, assuming you want to buy this $5 on, just come over and say click on continue, and this is going to give you the other preview, right? You can see, and right now you can see you have the option to pick or add the debit card, credit or debit card. And right here, all you need to do is to click on add payment method, and you come over right here, card number, then you come over to your DocPay accounts, you copy that, then you fill in all of your information with your name. But before you do this, before they allow you to create card on DocPay, you will probably need to do your KYC. You can see right here. So you just confirm that, and once you are good to go, everything is well set up for you, right? So you just put in every of your card information, then make sure you fund your card so you can just pay for this, and then you are good to go, right? So another thing that I want you to pay close attention to when you are following this process is to be sure that your VPN is on and your phone location is probably off, right? Because of Fiverr tracking, and like I said, you cannot do this process on the same device that you have your seller account. So it's best advisable once you sign up on here and you link your card, you can easily log your buyer account on your PC. You have a dedicated window for that, so you can follow all of this information. I can do this over and over again, right? So that's how you can protect yourself. I can get as many reviews that you want for yourself in the online space. Simple and easy to follow, right? So that's how you can get your Fiverr review, and this can build your credibility in the online space so you can get more visitors. And let me know if you are trying this right now today, you want to do this for your account. Just drop a comment in the comment section and I will attend to you, and I will send you the card link, maybe with additional coupon, if that makes sense, right? So I will see you in the next video, and till then guys, be at peace.